Hello, sixth grade. How are you? This is your English teacher, Wyatt from Ru Al Farouk Academy. Today, we are going to do the story exercises on student book and workbook, page 75. In our lesson for today, students should be able to revise the story, answer the questions on student book, page 75, and then answer the questions on workbook, page 75. So, prepare your box and let's start. Let's start with the student book, page 75, with exercise 3. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. Look at number 1. What goes wrong with this machine? What goes wrong? Excellent. It paints the cat, not the chair. Okay. Number 2. What goes wrong with this? What goes wrong? Bravo. Some colored lights flash on the screen, not the answer to the sum. Look at number 3. What goes wrong with this? Thank you. Black smoke fills the room. The bike doesn't travel to the other machine. Number 4. What doesn't Phoebe want to use this? Why doesn't Phoebe want to use this? Excellent. She likes her hair the way it was. Number 5. Who pulls this lever? Who pulls it down? Excellent, Patrick. And the last picture, what does this last machine do? Okay, it opens the time traveler's gate. Thank you. Okay, go to your workbook on page 74 to do exercise number 1. Remember the story. Match the sentence halves. Look at number 1. The painting machine should change the color of things. Let's do number 2. The homework express. Excellent. Should answer questions or answer homeworks. Number 3. The teletransporter. What should move things about the room? The hairdressing machine, bravo, should change how people look. Exercise 2. Look at the pictures. Complete the summary with the words or 5 of the object for 5 of the objects. The professor shows the children his painting machine. He asks them to choose a color for the machine. For the chair. They choose red and yellow spots. The professor pushes a switch and the paint brushes on the machine paint the cat green and blue instead. Next, he shows them the homework express. He asks them to choose a subject, so they pick maths and they give the professor a sum. He types it into the machine and the answer Paris appears. The next machine which he shows them is a teletransporter. You put an object in it. A button, and the object appears on the other side of the room. Unfortunately, his experiment with a bike doesn't work, and he will need to use his spanner. Finally, he shows them a hairdressing machine, but Phoebe doesn't want to try it out. Patrick asks them about another machine. The professor tells him not to touch it, but it's too late. Patrick pulls the excellent lever and the gate appears. Exercise 3. Complete the sentences with the correct name. Look at number 1. Phoebe chooses the colors for the chair. Number 2. Asks about the homework express. Who asks about the homework express? Excellent. Patrick. Chooses the sum for the homework express. Bravo, Alex. Needs a tool. Excellent. The Professor Potts. Wants Phoebe to try the hairdressing machine. Also, Professor Potts tells the professor that they know what the last machine does. Phoebe. Excellent. And now go to page 75 to do exercise number 1. Here are other wrong answers from the homework express. Match the answers with the questions that it was trying to answer. These the wrong answers and these are the questions. Look at number 1. Who invented the plane? The answer was Alexander Graham Bell. Number 2. What is 9 multiplication 9? The answer was 72. Bravo. Number 3. What is the capital of Italy? The answer was Washington. Number 4. What kind of instrument is a trumpet? Bravo. String. And number 5. Where do sharks live? The answer was in forests. The last one. What is the biggest planet in the solar system? And the answer was Mars. Exercise 2. The answers from the homework express in activity 1 are all wrong. Of course, write the correct answers. Number 1. Who invented the planes? Alberto Santos. Let's look at number 2. 9 multiplication 9. The answer is 81. Excellent. The capital of Italy is Rome. Excellent. The trumpet, it's a wind. Number 5. Where does that shark live? Of course, in the sea. And the last one, the largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter, or the biggest. Now, exercise 3. Look at the machine's wrong answers in activity 1. Write correct questions. These are the wrong answers. So, you should write correct questions for the wrong answers. Look at number 1. What is the capital of the USA? اللي هي Washington. So, the another questions are homework for you. Thank you for your listening. We have finished our lesson for today.